Think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in that.
Alright, so got a late start today. Backyard built, but got a couple things going on out here today. So yes sir, another Silverado in here. We're gonna be basically just putting a leveling kit on it. I think it's a rough country leveling kit. He's got it back here, yep. And it has the 3.5 inch strut, so it's a 3.5 inch leveling kit. Everything's here. I done did plenty of these, so not really too big of a deal. He's got the full 7-inch rough country lift on here, so really all I have to do is just take everything off and just put all the new parts in. It's a 2-wheel drive, so it shouldn't take long at all. It should be a quick and easy process. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the wheels off tonight. Probably start going ahead and tearing apart one side or the other side. Try to get it down to where I can get the struts out. And if I can get that far, I plan on pretty much closing out for the night. Tomorrow, Trippy will be over here. We'll be working on his Camaro, and we're gonna be doing probably tire letters and trying to finish this truck up. Because tonight I should have a lot of this shit done. All right, it's cold as fuck out here. Clean this bitch off real quick. That's how cold it is out of this motherfucker. Anyways, but we back and got some progress done on this thing. Got most of the front end parts pretty much off. Just gotta take the cross member out and the sway bar drop brackets and shit. But other than that, we got everything as far as I wanted to get tonight. All right, so yesterday camera died when I was in here trying to record, but once we get the back cross member out, we'll be putting everything back in. It'll be good to go on the front, and then I'll just be taking the blocks out. That'll take me 30 minutes, but we're gonna be doing some little mods to Trippy Camaro. Got started a little bit. Putting the tire letters on. Got the Supreme skis. Got her in the air. About to have her looking real mean. Why you flicking the middle fingers?
You already know what the fuck going on YouTube.
Gotta put all these shits together. It's like putting a puzzle together.
Okay.
But we gonna find out how to do this shit, and then we'll update y'all once we get to it. Picking up with the Silverado build, went ahead and got pretty much the whole front suspension taken out. Y'all seen that already. Got the leveling kit in here, basically just a 3.5 inch level strut, and he got new spindles, and that's about it. I think he's gonna need stock tie rods because those were cut for the kit. But other than that, everything else looks good. I'm about to throw this side together. I just finished up the other side, so this is what the finished product kind of looks like. You still got to put the sway bar up and put it in place, but that'll be pretty easy. All right, so got more done. Got all the front end components put on. Everything is tight, ready to go. So just got to put the sway bar links in. It's cold as fuck tonight. I think it's supposed to get like 21, so I'm probably not going to be out here too long. I mean, heater been going for probably about 30 minutes, and I just cut it off. And it's cold as fuck in here again, so I'm probably going to have to cut it back on. But like I said, man, I'm just finishing up the front, trying to get that done, and then we'll get to it. But yeah, that's what it is. So, all right, picking back up, got the front end done, and both sides are even. So yeah, all we gotta do now is throw the wheels on right now. I am working on the back, but this is where I'm gonna call it for tonight. I got the U-bolts loose, and the bolts broke. But of course, as always, with all fucking dirt and rust and shit that comes in it, it really doesn't like to spin all the way down with the impact, so you got to go down there and you know, put some manual labor in. Like I always say, shit ain't as easy as it always seems, or as easy as you think it'll be. It's always rust or dirt or some bullshit that you gotta deal with, and then it pushes you back a couple hours. But yeah, man, it's getting late out here, and it's fucking 20 degrees right now, so about to go ahead inside and then just rest, and then come back out tomorrow evening or afternoon, and then we'll get her finished up. So yeah, man, just gotta do the rear now and put the wheels on the front, get it aligned, and she'll be straight. So let's fast forward to tomorrow. Got the Camaro done, tire letters on. Nice little design. This shit nice. Got the tail lights blacked out. She all complete. Man, happy.
You eat it, I'm about him.
Damn, she look good as fuck with that Supreme. Yes, sir.
But y'all know who my real baby is.
Yeah, yeah. Don't talk junk, motherfuckers. Come by.
Yeah, it's for sale for the right price. This one and that red motherfucker over there. All right, so got this done. Got it on the ground. Everything looking good. Got to get the front end aligned a little bit better, but got the rear blocks put in. All this was done today. Knocked that out in a couple minutes. And going to adjust this a little bit, tighten everything up, torque it to spec, and then pull it out, and then she'll be done. So yeah, man, this is 3.5 inch rough country level with 2 inch blocks in the back, and she's looking pretty good, man. So about to pull her out, and like I said, make sure everything is perfect, make sure it rides right, drive it around the yard a little bit, drive it down the road, and then it'll be ready for pickup. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then clean up the shop, and then we'll be done for the day. And this will be pretty much the end of this video, because I got a couple more people scheduled for next week and the following week. So hopefully we'll have a lot of content popping out, and hopefully not have any interruptions like a couple weeks ago. But yeah, man, we're just making it happen. So I'm gonna pull this out so that way y'all can get a better look at it, of how it looks with 22s and 35s. I believe these are 22 by 10s or 22 by 12s. Yeah, I believe they're 12s because they poke out a little bit. But yeah, this is it, man. But yeah, let's get to it, and then I'll show it to you whenever we get it outside. Let's get it. All right, she's all done. It's nighttime. Was gonna have them pick it up tomorrow, but got finished with it pretty quick, quicker than I expected. So here she is, man. Probably can't really see her because it's pretty dark outside, but yeah, man, we got it right. But yeah, bro, this is it for this one. Should be having a lot of C-notches and shit coming soon. I got a lot of people hitting me up about it, and you know, just trying to get some shit done that I never really did before, and just experiment. I mean, I got a welder. I'm a certified welder, and you know, I fuck with trucks. I've been fucking with trucks for a couple years now, so honestly, shouldn't be nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, be looking forward to some new content. Should be having a lot of lower trucks coming pretty soon as well, because a lot of people up here are slamming trucks, and I might be one of the next ones. I ain't even gonna cap with you. They do look good. But yeah, man, that's it for today's video. And you know, appreciate y'all for watching, sticking around, and we're gonna have a lot more coming soon. We're gonna have welding, fabrication, truck shit, car shit. It'll be a little bit of everything. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, like, share, subscribe. Check y'all out next time. Peace.